The Yamaha XT500 is a legendary motorcycle that has captured the hearts of riders around the world. Introduced in 1976, it was designed to excel both on city streets and rugged off-road trails. Lightweight, durable, and versatile, the XT500 quickly became an icon in the dual sport segment, beloved by adventure riders and collectors alike. In the 1970s, motorcycles were usually either street or off-road bikes. Yamaha saw a chance to bridge the gap, and the XT500 was born. With its 499cc single-cylinder four-stroke engine, it offered around 30 horsepower and smooth, predictable performance. Its success in rally racing, including the grueling Paris-Dakar Rally, helped cement its reputation as a reliable and capable adventure machine. The XT500's design is both practical and timeless. Its high-mounted exhaust and long-travel suspension handle rough terrain with ease, while the lightweight frame provides excellent control on any road. The kickstart system is simple and reliable, and its minimalist retro styling continues to turn heads decades later. Riding the XT500 is an experience like no other. It feels alive off-road, responsive to every input, yet forgiving enough for beginners. On the road, its comfortable seating and classic charm make every ride enjoyable. With a top speed of around 140 kilometers per hour and a 12-liter fuel tank, it balances performance and practicality for long journeys. Even today, the XT500 remains highly collectible. In Europe, basic used models sell for €3,000 to €6,500, $3,200 to $7,000, while restored examples can reach €8,000 to €12,500, $8,500 to $13,400. Rare original bikes at auction may fetch $15,000 to $25,000 or more. In countries like Pakistan, where these bikes are extremely rare, prices are even higher, making them true collector's items. The XT500 was a pioneer in dual sport motorcycles, winning multiple Paris-Dakar rallies and proving its durability. Even nearly 50 years later, many are still on the road, a testament to Yamaha's engineering. Its combination of simplicity, reliability, and versatility ensures it remains a beloved classic. The Yamaha XT500 is more than a motorcycle. It's a symbol of adventure, freedom, and innovation. Whether you're a collector, a vintage enthusiast, or an adventure rider, the XT500 delivers an unforgettable experience. A bike that conquered streets, trails, and deserts alike, the Yamaha XT500 truly is a legend on two wheels.